Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Rockstar Games Launcher and troubleshoot install. To install the Rockstar Games Launcher, begin by visiting the official Rockstar Games website. Locate the download section on the home page. Click on the link to download the launcher. Once the download is complete, open the downloaded file. A security prompt may appear. Click Yes to allow the installation to proceed. Follow the on-screen instructions in the setup wizard. Choose your preferred installation location. Click Install to begin the installation process. Wait for the installation to complete. Once installed, launch the Rockstar Games Launcher. You will be prompted to sign in or create a new account. Follow the prompts to set up your account. If you encounter errors during installation, take note of the error message. Common installation errors include missing files or permission issues. To troubleshoot, first, ensure your operating system is up to date. Check for any pending updates and install them if necessary. Disable any antivirus or firewall temporarily, as these can interfere with installations. Try running the installer as an administrator by right-clicking the file and selecting Run as Administrator. If the issue persists, clear the temporary files on your computer. You can do this by using the Disk Cleanup tool in Windows. After clearing the files, restart your computer and try the installation again. If problems continue, visit the Rockstar support page for further assistance. Search for the specific error code or message you encountered. Follow the recommended solutions provided in the support articles. In most cases, reinstalling the launcher or repairing existing files can resolve the issue. If you have managed to install the launcher successfully, ensure to keep it updated for optimal performance. Regular updates can help prevent future errors and improve your gaming experience. Once everything is set up, you are ready to access your Rockstar Games library. Enjoy your gaming experience with Rockstar Games Launcher. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.